Good morning. It is Freaky Friday. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. You can call me Lo, you can call me Lolo, whatever you would like, girl. It is Friday. I'm feeling okay. I got a little slight headache, but it's nothing that a matcha won't fix. So if you watched my last vlog, I went to Dunkin' and I got a hot matcha. I'm so used to getting the cold iced matchas that I didn't even realize how good a damn hot matcha was. So my order is a medium hot matcha with 2 pumps blueberry, 2 pumps French vanilla, and it just hit every single time. But yeah, y'all, remember last vlog I was telling you about the table that I got? So the chairs came. I put the table and chairs together. I will go ahead and insert a video right here for y'all to see because I did a little short form video for TikTok and Instagram and my YouTube shorts. But the issue that I have with the table is that it's not tall enough. It is tall, but I want my chairs to go under the table to create more space in that dining room area. And I looked online, I saw Amazon had table raisers, but I'm going to my local Home Depot just to see if I can go ahead and pick that up because I'm just like, why wouldn't y'all have those? But if they don't, I'll just order on Amazon. But yeah, y'all, I'm feeling good. It's freaking 37 degrees out here, but I'm still feeling good. It's not that 37 degrees is kind of like, God damn, but it's decent. I'm not going to the gym today because I just don't feel like it. I need a break, I feel like. But I do want to get back into doing my running and all those things. So yeah, on today's agenda, we are going to Home Depot. I'm going to the grocery store because I need to get 3 more items because I'm making a Mississippi pot roast today. I'm going to make some rice and I think I'm going to make some sweet potato cornbread. And then I'm going to return these boots that I got from Fashion Nova. They're cool. I just am I'm in a space where I'm trying to figure out if I don't need things. But this piece I do like. But I'm on the fence about it because I'm just like, how many more times am I going to wear it? I don't know. I mean, you can wear boots any season, but I'm just in the space where it's just like, don't be sitting up here wasting money. But they were on sale. I don't know. We're going to see. But we're pulling up at Home Depot. Let me go ahead and find me a little spot in the front. And I'm going to call y'all back when we get in there. Okay, so I just asked one of the worker guys. He said it's an aisle 14. Lord, it's about to be nasty. Because I don't know. I knew I should have went on Amazon. Okay, here goes somebody. Excuse me. I'm looking for feet to the table, like a leveler to make it taller. He told me aisle 14.
Nope. Who told you that?
Oh, Lord, he lied.
Who told you that?
Some guy in the front. He ended up telling me to get these 2. I'm going to try the smaller ones out first and then go from there. All right, so first stop done. We got these. After I leave here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the grocery store and get the items I need because I want to go ahead and start on my Mississippi pot roast and make sure that's done before my husband has to go to work today. So I'm going to see how we get to the grocery store. Hey, y'all. So I'm actually back home right now. I got an email on the way home that made me feel like, get to the house real quick and check your emails. So I'm going to just keep it to myself for right now. But yeah, I had to rush home to look at something. I did get all my ingredients for the pot roast. So I ran to the store, got that. Got the boys a couple of snacks too. But I'm letting my roast come to room temperature right now because I just wanted to evenly sear on each side before I decide to put it in the oven and all those good things. So let me actually get the pot I'm using. Because I was going to do it in the crock pot, but I was just like, I don't want it to take that long. So I'm going to use my handy dandy Dutch oven, which works every time. So I'll just be able to keep everything in one pot. And I use, hold on, y'all. I got a lot going on. I use Mr. Make It Happen's recipe. And if you don't know him, he is on YouTube. My sister actually put me onto him, and he has a lot of different recipes. He has a restaurant in DC as well that I really, really want to go to. I think it's called Franche. I'm unsure how to pronounce it. But yeah, I definitely want to go there. The food looks so good. But yeah, we got our sirloin tip roast. And then let me flip y'all. We got our Jiffy mix. I couldn't find sweet potatoes and I didn't want to make them, so I just got these. We have both of these seasoning packets that you're gonna need, pepperoncinis, and then I already showed y'all my cornbread. So that's what we're having tonight. I do have the vegetables I like. I showed y'all so many times. They're like the fire roasted vegetables. So I'm gonna definitely make those. But I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, let this come to room temperature. Then I'm gonna go ahead and sear on both, we'll season it and then sear on both sides. And then go ahead and put it in the oven. It should only take 3 or 4 hours, it says, so it shouldn't be that long. Now, to the table. The man told me to try out these first. So I'm going to see if that even works. I might have to wait for my husband to come home because I don't want to mess the table up. But I'm going to go ahead and see if it works, and I'm going to call y'all back.
Y'all, I really did something today. I was just scrolling on Shein, minding my business, and somehow ended up buying an entire dining room set. And guess what? It actually ate. The table was only $116 and the chairs were only $175 for all 4. And as a mom, if it's cute, functional, and doesn't hurt my pockets, I'm definitely sold. And when I tell you this set looks way more expensive than what I paid, baby, the girls on Pinterest could never. It fits the space perfectly. It's sturdy. And it made the whole dining area feel brand new without me doing a whole full makeover. So if you've been wanting to upgrade your home on a budget, go ahead and check Shein because clearly I'm winning over here.
Oh, that might have been it, y'all. So the last thing that I did was the table. I'm so hyped about that table, y'all. Like, I just don't understand. I definitely will be on Shein looking at more items because, yeah, we definitely upgrading our house for the low. Also, I started making dinner for tonight and probably leftovers for tomorrow. I did a Mississippi pot roast. I'm going to definitely insert it up here for y'all to see what your girl got going on because, y'all, I'm still trying to battle this short form and this long form. It's so much. So that's what we're doing. My sweet potato cornbread, I don't feel like it came out the way I wanted it to. Maybe I used too much sweet potato. I'm unsure, but it's definitely giving like cakey vibes. So maybe it's just too much liquid in there. I should have used 2 packs of cornbread, but that would have been too much. I feel like it would have made too much. But we got your boy Jetty. I picked him up from school. He gets picked up first, and then Lux gets picked up by 3:20. It's 3:18, so we probably should start walking over there. Come on, Jet. Let me go come on that side. So, yeah, but it's going to be a really chill rest of the night. I think I'm going to actually, oh, wow. Boy, you're dropping crumbs all over my daggone car. It should be a chill rest of the day. I'm thinking that I'm going to, come on, Pop. No, don't pick that up dirty, yucky. Your bag right here. It's right there. Go get it if you want it. Okay, let's go. So like I said, it should be chill for the rest of the night. I'm thinking about doing a little step workout, honestly. So we'll see about doing that. But I'm gonna pick up Lux. Let me go ahead and get him, and I'll call y'all back when he's in the car. All right, y'all. So we are in Royal Farms because I decided that I want to do a step workout. But all I have is OxyShred at home, and I really don't want OxyShred right now because it's 3 o'clock. I want one of those blooms. Are you getting something to drink, Lux? Yeah. All right, go ahead. I want one of those blooms, but they don't have it in here. So I think the next, come here, Jetty. I need you to stay over here with mommy. I think the next best thing I'm gonna get is probably one of those Starbucks energies that are actually right here. So these, I had the blue raspberry lemonade. I might try the tropical peach, and I just like how it's 0 sugar in them. So let's try these. All right, y'all, so we are home. I decided that I wasn't gonna step, so it is what it is. But let me go ahead and show y'all this pot roast. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this pot roast, baby. Do you see that? Yeah, big mama, 3 kids. Found the right man, the right time. We got some rice. And then we got our sweet potato cornbread. So yeah, y'all, all of that is done. Dinner is done before 5 o'clock. And you know what? I could have really made the rice earlier, but it is what it is, y'all. I'm still gushing over this table. Old one in the back. I taped the parts to it just in case somebody comes and picks it up and they want it. So that's that. But yeah, y'all. Let me actually turn my kitchen light on. But yeah, dinner is done. Can't wait to plate that baby up. I know it's gonna be bussin'. Update on the Starbucks energy drink. It's actually good. But do I want to step? No. I think tomorrow I'm actually going to go for a run because I haven't done anything today. And I did decide that I'm going to keep giving myself rest days, which I should have been doing. But it's like I always want to be on 1,000. But yeah, I think I'm going to try to go out for a little run tomorrow morning. While the boys and my husband are still in the bed. But you know how sometimes you be feeling like that guilty feeling like, I should get up and make breakfast for them, whatever, but he can cook. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, we're just chilling. I'm gonna head upstairs, check some emails. Someone sent me an email regarding a jewelry brand and working with them. But sometimes I'm on the fence about stuff like that because I don't know if it's like fully a scam or not. That'd be my only issue. But I'm going to go ahead and look at it. Now, remember earlier I was telling y'all about these boots. So I had got some boots from Fashion Nova, and I don't know for certain if I want to keep them. Okay, so boots from Fashion Nova, they're fire. They're fire. That's a fact. But I'm like, am I going to wear them? They definitely give like Timberland vibes. Thigh-high boot. The laces give Timberland fire. But I'm like, am I going to wear them? So my cousin, her birthday is next week, next Saturday. We're going to New York for the day. Just to, you know, do different things, go out to eat, shop, stuff like that. So in my mind, I was like, I could wear those. Got a fire outfit. But I haven't worn my... What are these Uggs called? See, that's bad. I bought these Uggs last year. They are the... Y'all, if you see this closet, Jesus. So they're the classic tall trailgazers, fire boots. I'm obsessed with these Uggs. So I was like, you know what? I haven't even wore those. It is going to be cold. Why not just wear your Uggs? Why would you order some other boots? But obviously, there are 2 different styles of boots. So in my mind, I'm like, you know what? These are fire. I need to get them. But now I'm just like, girl, go return them. Because honestly, I have the other pair of boots that I got last season that I wore one time as well. So I can't keep doing stuff like that. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just return these and just let the girls have them. Because it's just kind of like... They're not giving me what I need. But let me go ahead and look at these emails, get myself together, and I'm going to call y'all back later. Hey, y'all. So I'm eating dinner at our dining table for the first time. And yeah, let's just do a recap of the day today. I definitely did everything I said I was going to do. That's for one. We got up. Y'all, y'all weren't there, but I got another hot matcha. It was delicious. Definitely need to go get blueberry and French vanilla flavoring for myself, and just maybe some hot matchas every day for the winter, because that is literally my kryptonite. We went to Home Depot, got the feet for the table, went back, got more feet for the table because they work. I will definitely put below everything, the table, the chairs, all that, put that below for y'all so I can go ahead and get it. Cooked dinner, cooked a real live Sunday dinner, y'all. Went in. And what else did we do today? It don't even matter. We was productive, y'all. Checked some emails, got some work done, talked to people here, there, everywhere, like I usually do on a daily basis. And yeah, it is the end of the night. I did want to thank y'all so much for continuing to support me and watch me on all of my platforms. I will definitely be vlogging way more throughout the day. I have so much to say, so much to talk about, so much to show y'all. So it's just like, I'm going to stop being in fear of long form because I love it. So thank y'all. If you like this video, definitely drop a heart down below. Tell me your favorite part. Tell me what y'all want to see more of. And thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because your girl is going to be on here way more than she was before. Bye, y'all.
Okay, so let's talk about Sunday dinner because this one had a little story behind it. I woke up already knowing two things. It's Sunday and I'm not doing the most, but I do want everybody quiet when they eat. That's always the goal. So I decided on a Mississippi pot roast, you know, the kind of meal where you throw everything in a pot, close the lid, and then let God handle the rest. No babysitting, no stress, just vibes. While that's cooking, I'm standing in the kitchen like, do I do mashed potatoes or should I do white rice? And listen, my spirit said rice because white rice does something to gravy that mashed potatoes just can't explain. It soaks it up. It understands the assignment. Now, here's where I got a little carried away because I said, let me make a cornbread, but not no regular cornbread. Sweet potato cornbread. Was it necessary? No. But was it absolutely the right decision? Yes. The house started smelling so good that everybody kept popping in the kitchen like, is it ready yet? Why are y'all pacing? Please go sit down. By the time I finally put everything on the table, pot roast falling apart, tenderism, rice looking fluffy, cornbread still warm, nobody said a word. And if you got kids, you already know. Silence means you did that. So yeah, this Sunday dinner was a win. Full bellies, happy kids, and leftovers. I'm already planning to hide. If this is your kind of Sunday, go ahead and save this and follow me for more real life, no stress family dinners.